Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to the exciting world of conversational Korean. Learning a new language opens doors to different cultures. It's an adventure. Today, we journey into essential Korean phrases. Get ready to impress with your Korean language skills. These phrases are your building blocks. They're your key to connection. So, let's dive in and explore the magic of Korean conversation. Imagine navigating Seoul like a local. Picture yourself ordering delicious Korean food with ease. Learning basic Korean phrases makes this possible. It enhances travel experiences. Beyond travel, these phrases build connections. They bridge cultural gaps. Even a simple hello in Korean shows your effort and respect. Ready to start speaking? Here are 10 must-know Korean phrases that will help you navigate everyday conversations with ease. These phrases are presented in a simple and clear format to make learning easy and fun. 1. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Hello. Use this to greet anyone anytime. 2. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Thank you. Show your gratitude with this polite phrase. 3. 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. Sorry. Apologize sincerely with this expression. 4. 네. Yes. A simple yet powerful word to show agreement. 5. 아니요. 아니요. No. Use this to politely decline or refuse. 6. 이름이 뭐였습니까? 이름이 뭐였습니까? What is your name? Perfect for starting a conversation. 7. 조윤입니다. 조윤입니다. My name is. State your name. Introduce yourself confidently. 8. 만나세요 반갑습니다. 만나세요 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you. Make a great first impression. 9. 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. I will eat well. Say this before you start eating. 10. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye to someone staying. Use this when you are leaving. Practice these phrases and you'll be well on your way to mastering basic Korean conversation. Happy learning! Now we go to mastering pronunciation. You got this! Learning a new language can be challenging, but with practice and dedication, you can master it. Let's dive into the pronunciation of some essential Korean phrases that will help you in everyday conversations. Let's break down the pronunciation of these essential Korean phrases. Remember, practice makes perfect, and repetition is key to getting these right. 1. 안녕하세요. Pronounce each syllable clearly. 안녕 sounds like 안녕. 하세요 is like 하세요. This phrase means hello, and is a great way to start any conversation. 2. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Focus on the M sound at the end of 감사합니다. This means thank you, and is essential for polite interactions. 3. 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. Pay attention to the OE sound in josong. This phrase means I'm sorry and is crucial for apologizing. 4. Ni, a simple ni, similar to English ne, it means yes. 5. Anio, anio, emphasize the yo at the end. Anio means no. These two words are fundamental for basic communication. 6. Ireumi mueosibnika, irumi mueosibnika. Pronounce each syllable distinctly. This means what is your name and is useful for introductions. 7. 조윤입니다. 조윤입니다. This means I am. Replace your name with your name. It's a simple yet effective way to introduce yourself. 8. 만나세요 반갑습니다. 만나세요 반갑습니다. This means nice to meet you. A bit long but manageable? Practice it slowly and you'll get the hang of it. 9. 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. Said before a meal. It means I will eat well. 10. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. This means goodbye when you're leaving and the other person is staying. Keep practicing these phrases and soon you'll be more confident in your Korean language skills. You got this. Let's practice Korean conversations, from greetings to goodbyes. Now let's see these phrases in action. Meeting someone new. Start with 안녕하세요, hello, followed by 이름이 뭐였습니까? What is your name? After they tell you, say 만나세요 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you. Expressing gratitude. After someone helps you, say 감사합니다. Thank you, with a smile. Apologizing. If you bump into someone, say 죄송합니다. Sorry. Before a meal. Before you dig in, say 잘 먹겠습니다. I will eat well. Saying goodbye. When you're leaving, say 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye to the person staying. In this section, we will go over some of the most essential phrases you have learned so far. These phrases are the building blocks of your Korean language journey. Congratulations! You've learned 10 essential Korean phrases. A great achievement. These phrases will help you navigate basic conversations and make a good impression. 1. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Hello. This is the most common greeting in Korean and can be used in almost any situation. 2. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Thank you. Expressing gratitude is important in any culture, and this phrase will help you show your appreciation. 3. 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. Sorry. Apologizing sincerely can go a long way in maintaining good relationships. 4. 네, 네, yes. A simple yet powerful word that shows agreement and understanding. 5. 아니요, 아니요. No. Equally important, this word helps you express disagreement or refusal politely. 6. 이름이 뭐였습니까? 이름이 뭐였습니까? What is your name? This question is essential for making new friends and acquaintances. 7. 존이운입니다. 존이운입니다. My name is your name. Use this phrase to introduce yourself confidently. 8. 만나세요 반갑습니다. 만나세요 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you. This phrase is perfect for making a positive first impression. 9. 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. I will eat well. Use this phrase before starting a meal to show your appreciation for the food. 10. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye. A polite way to bid farewell whether you're leaving a place or ending a conversation. Practice these phrases. Use them with confidence. Remember, every 안녕하세요 is a step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself more comfortable and fluent in Korean.